Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today our Sunshine Boy just dropped a new song, man. Title is Crazy, man. This is fucking crazy. This is the official lyric video. Mamaya ilalabas yung music video nento, but right now, we already have the official audio and the lyric video. Kagabi siya actually nilabas, no? Kaninang madaling araw, no? And I told you, man, every month, no? Every month, isang member naglalabas na bagong kanta. I mean, I feel like at this point we can already expect na Josh is going to release a song for the month of September. But we have Stell today with the song Crazy. This is official lyric video. I'm just excited, man. Without no further ado, it's been also just want to say now, it's been a long time since we have a Stell song, no? It's been a long time. The last na nag-react ako sa kanta ni Stell, na kanta talaga ni Stell, is last year pa. No? And partida, nung nag-react ako last year, yung kanta niya na yun is like a year na simula nung nilabas niya. No? So, let's fucking go, man. Let's fucking go.
Lately,
Ito kaya to, no?
think that I found when you come around, I don't wanna sleep. If I close my eyes, I'm missing out. I'm sipping.
Grabe yun, no? Si Alex na ito, no? Like, sobrang, parang gusto mo sila like kasama, parang ayaw mo na matulog because every time that you close your eyes, you're missing out to something na yung makita siya. Imagine kahit pag-corrupt mo lang, parang ayaw mo na. Gano'n mo siya kamahal, man.
I'm missing out. I'm sipping caffeine, but just one look at me, I feel higher than every cloud.
Your boy is in love. Yung mga tawag mo talaga na in love, man. Like, tumingin ka lang sa akin, mas mataas pa yung tama ko kaysa sa caffeine, no? Kasi siguro mag-addict to, so taas pa rin yung tama ko sa'yo, man. Ganun.
I think I'm crazy for you.
Falsetto.
I think I'm crazy for you. I think I love you just a bit. I think I could get used to this. Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you.
Hey.
I think I'm dying for your kiss. I swear I've never felt like this. Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you.
Crazy for you, man. This is this is the new version of Crazy for You by Sam Milby. Like a 2026 version, man. Damn. Imagine, Stels, sasabihan ka sa mukha mo na I'm crazy for you.
Hoping you'll feel the same, or I'll bury it deep and save my love for another.
Ano ba siya? Wala siya sa Pilipinas, no? Itsura na ito parang wala sa Pilipinas, eh. Pilipinas pa to? I doubt it, man. I feel like pag sa Pilipinas, pag nakita siya ng mga babae naglalakad, parang pupuntahan na lang si Stel bigla. Stel! Gano'n, no? Parang tag dito. A rare occurrence, no? Parang nakita mo si Stel sa isang iskinita. Ginagawa ko dito, Stel?
I'll push it aside, but this love don't come easy, and there's no way you don't feel the fire. I think I'm crazy for you.
Ang ganda na boses si Stel, no? Yung last sabihin ko. Parang yung boses si Stel is, it's hard to achieve na at this point, no?
You know I'm crazy for you. I think I love you just a bit. I think I could get used to this. Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you.
Hey.
I think I'm dying for your kiss. I swear I've never felt like this. Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you.
Nice.
Oh baby, I'm down. Oh, lately I think that I found
Damn.
when you come around. I don't wanna sleep if I close my eyes.
Ganda pakinggan nung parang yung pabulong na na boses ni Stell na hindi siya almost falsetto-ish pero hindi, no? Pero pabulong lang siya na marinig mo yung vibrato niya na don't wanna sleep. Hirap, di ako marunong. Di ako marunong, but ang parang ASMR, ASMR, man.
When you come around, I don't wanna sleep. If I close my eyes, I'm missing out.
Damn. Where you going? Don't go, please. Don't go. Let's go. Let's fucking go, man. All right, that is Stell Ajero. Crazy, man. Stell's vocal is just crazy, man. Sino bang sumulat nito? Let's see. The composer is Maribel Agnes. Okay? Produced by Maribel Agnes as well. We have mixed and mastered by Axel Fernandez. Nice. Well, I guess Maribel Agnes is crazy in love right now, no? Para masulat yon, diba? Like, yung lyrics na dawang-dawa mo kung gaano siya crazy in love dun sa person, diba? Samahan mo pa ng napakagandang vocals ni Stell, no? So, daman-dama mo yung emosyon na parang in love talaga. Like, mas mataas pa yung tama mo kaysa sa tama ng caffeine, man. Na parang ayaw mong pumikit, no? Or kumurap or matulog kasi parang you're missing out. Hindi mo siya nakikita, no? Ganun mo siya kamahal. Like, that's, like, too much love, man. Sabi nga niya, I think I'm in love just a little bit. Anyway, that's a great song, man. That is a great song. Nakakatuwa na meron tayong like this type of love song na in-upload after ng ibang mga member. I mean, I guess Dahon is also technically a love song, but it hits different, man. Yung atake niya iba, no? Yung sa Dahon ni Justin, it's more of like no? Alag dito. Almost like a proposal or something, di ba? Parang pangkasal, no? Tapos yung vibe niya parang ganon. Na parang this is the moment, This is the moment that we've been waiting for. Parang ganon. Pero yung kay Stell kasi is yung classic love song, di ba? Na parang I'm madly in love, no? I'm crazy in love with you. That's, ganon yung yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Parang, it's just a classic love song, man. And I love it, no? I love it. Well, that is the reaction today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I mean, antay-antay na tayo sa music video mamaya, no? But that we have Stell Crazy, this official lyric video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Well, that's our reaction for today. And if you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. We're gonna react to it as well. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome and peace.